Before we begin, find a quiet place. A place where you can be yourself, without pressure, without expectations, without anyone needing anything from you. This moment is for you. Gently close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in and exhale like you're releasing the last few days from your body. You've carried so much for so long, and tonight you deserve a break. Let your breath soften. Feel your chest rising gently and falling gently. No force, no effort, just your natural rhythm. And with every exhale, imagine a small weight leaving your shoulders. The pressure to be perfect, the pressure to be strong all the time, the pressure to keep everything together. Release it, just for now. Place one hand on your heart and one hand on your stomach. Feel the warmth. Feel your heartbeat. Feel the life inside you. Remind yourself quietly, I'm safe in this moment. I'm allowed to rest. Think about the last time you felt overwhelmed. Not to relive it, but to gently acknowledge that you're human. You've been trying so hard, and you rarely give yourself credit. Imagine you're sitting on a warm beach at sunset. The sky is soft orange, waves gently touching your feet. The world finally quiet. You're not running anymore. You're not chasing anything. You are simply being. Feel the ocean breeze. Feel the calm on your skin. Let it melt your stress, like ice in warm hands. Now imagine someone you deeply trust. Someone who would never judge you, sits beside you. They look at you with soft eyes and say, you don't have to carry everything alone. You're allowed to feel. You deserve healing, not because you're perfect, but because you're human. Let their words sink into your heart. Now bring your awareness to your chest, your heart center. Imagine a gentle, warm light glowing there, soft, golden, healing. With every breath, that light grows brighter. This is your self-worth, your inner strength, your truth. You've doubted yourself many times, but the real you is still here, quiet, strong, and ready to rise again. Repeat these affirmations slowly inside your mind. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of peace. I am worthy of rest. My feelings matter. My life matters. I am becoming the calmest version of myself. I release what no longer serves me. I choose healing over pressure. I choose peace over perfection. Let these words bathe your heart. Now imagine a future version of you, standing tall, calm, confident, comfortable in their own skin. This version of you has healed. They carry no guilt, no fear, no self-doubt. Walk towards them slowly and notice their smile. It's your smile, the one you've always deserved to wear. They look at you and say, you're doing better than you think. I'm proud of you. Keep going. As we end this meditation, place your hand once more on your heart. Feel your breath. Feel your presence. Feel your peace. You didn't escape life tonight. You returned to yourself. And you can return anytime you need. Take one final deep breath and whisper, I deserve healing. I choose peace. When you're ready, slowly, gently, open your eyes.